Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we are going to discuss trigonometry short concept type questions. Let us have a discussion. The first question in this session. Prove that cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7 equal to 1 by 8. To solve this type of problem, to prove these type of problems, we have to consider this cos series as C. So here in the answer, let capital C equal to this cos series cos 2 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7 into cos 8 pi by 7. After that, this is cos series, that is the reason C I denoted. Similarly, S also you have to denote. S equal to, wherever cos term is there, replacing with sin 2 pi by 7, sin 4 pi by 7, sin 8 pi by 7. This is the first step. After that, you have to product of these two series. So C into A, consider C into S, C into S, which is equal to C value 88, cos of 2 pi by 7 into cos of 4 pi by 7 into cos of 8 pi by 7 into, similarly S value, sin 2 pi by 7 into sin 4 pi by 7 into sin 8 pi by 7. After writing of these step, observe carefully, cos 2 pi by 7, sin 2 pi by 7, make it as one term. Cos 4 pi by 7, sin pi by 4 pi by 7, make it as one term. Cos 8 pi by 4, sin 8 pi by 4, make it as one term. Observe, sin 2 pi by 7 into cos 2 pi by 7. Keep in bracket. Next, cos, first you write sin, sin 2 pi by 4 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7 into sin 8 pi by 7 into cos 8 pi by 7. After that, to make into the formula form, we know that formula for sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, we know that formula. But here, sin theta cos theta is there. To get that formula form, multiplying by 2, dividing by 2, here and here and here. So observe carefully, multiplying and dividing by 2 for every term, multiplying and dividing by 2. Here also, multiplying and dividing by 2, 1 by 2 into 2. So after that, each bracket value, by applying the formula sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. This bracket value is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 times of 2 pi by 4. 2 times of 2 pi by 4 is 4 pi by 7. Sin 2 times of 2 pi by 7. 4 pi by 7. Come to this bracket value. 2 times of sin 2 times of 4 pi by 7. Sin 8 pi by 7. Last bracket value. Sin 2 theta, sin 2 times of 8 pi by 7, 16 pi by 7. After that, 1 by 8, sin 4 pi by 7, into sine 8 pi by 7 into sine 16 by 7 can be written as 16 how many times is going to divisible by 7? 7 2s are 14. So 16 by 7 means 7 2s are 14. Remainder is 2. So we can write it as 2 plus 2 by 7. I want to write 16 pi by 7 now. So can I write like this 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7? Exactly it is 14 pi plus 2 pi is 16 pi by 7. So we can write it as 16 pi by 7 is 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7. Sine of 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7. We know that sine of 2 pi plus theta is sine 2 theta. The first quadrant. Sine of 2 pi plus theta is sine theta. So it will become sine 2 pi by 1 by 8 sine 4 pi by 7 into sine 8 pi by 7 into sine 2 pi by 7. This bracket value, if you observe that this is equal to s. So 1 by 8, this value is s. So therefore c into s is equal to 1 by 8 into s. S get cancelled on both sides. Therefore we will get c equal to 1 by 8. That is conclusion step. C means what? Cos 2 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7 into cos 8 pi by 7 is equal to 1 by 8. Hence proved. We'll move to the next question, dear students. The next question, dear students, similar procedure like previous problem. Prove that cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11, which is equal to 1 by 32. So, like previous problem, first the given series you can assume as C. Let C equal to cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11. This is about C, and S is equal to sin pi by 11 into sin 2 pi by 11 into sin 3 pi by 11 sin 4 pi by 11 into sin 5 pi by 11. This is C, this is S. After that, product of these two you have to consider. Consider C into S. C into S. So product of these two you have to write it. Cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11 into S value sin pi by 11 into sin 2 pi by 11 into sin 3 pi by 11 sin 4 pi by 11 into sin 5 pi by 11. So after that, cos pi by 11 sin pi by 11 make it a term. Observe carefully. Sin pi by 11 into cos pi by 11. Like this every term. Sin 2 pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11. Sin 2 pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11. Next, sin 3 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11. Next, sin 4 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11. Last one, sin 5 pi by 11 into cos pi pi by 11. After that, multiplying and dividing by 2 for every term to get the formula form. So it will becomes, observe carefully, C into S. So C into S equal to multiplying by 2, dividing by 2, 1 by 2 into sin pi by 11 into cos pi by 11. Here also 1 by 2 into 2 sin 2 pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11. Multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. So 2 into sin 3 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11. So 1 by 2 into 2 sin 4 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into 1 by 2 into 2 sin 5 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. So each bracket value, here also 1 by 2 into 2. 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So all are equal to sin 2 theta. So 1 by 2 into 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 5 times 1 by 2 whole power 5, that is 1 by 32 into this bracket value 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta. So sin 2 into pi by 11, so 2 pi by 11 into this bracket value 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta, that means sin of 2 times of 2 pi by 11, 4 pi by 11. Next 2 sin 3 pi by 11 cos pi by 11. So sin 2 3 pi by 11, that means 6 pi by 11 into sin 2 into 4 pi by 11. So sin 8 pi by 11 into last one sin 2 theta, sin 2 of 2 into 5 pi by 11, 10 pi by 11. So here 6 pi by 11, 8 pi by 11, 10 pi by 11. It is not there in the given series. So we have to write 6 pi by 11, 8 pi by 11 and 10 pi by 11. In terms of here pi by 11 is not there. So pi by 11 you have to write. 3 pi by 11 is also not there. You have to write it. Even 5 pi by 11 is also not there. You have to write these 6 pi by 11, 8 pi by 11, 10 pi by 11 in terms of pi by 11, 3 pi by 11, 5 pi by 11. See, once I write it here, 3 pi by 11 can be written as 3 pi by 11 can be written as. Before that, here 6 pi by 11, first you have to write it 6 pi by 11. 6 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus 5 pi by 11. Take 11 LCM, 11 pi minus 5 pi is equal to 6 pi. 6 pi by 11. 6 pi by 11 is over. Now 8 pi by 11. 8 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus 3 pi by 11. Next 10 pi by 11. Pi minus pi by 11, 10 pi by 11. Like this, first you have to write it. After that, wherever 6 pi by 11, 8 pi by 11, 10 pi by 11 is there, you can replace with these values and find the value. 1 by 32 sin 2 pi by 11 sin 4 pi by 11 sin 6 pi by 11. 6 pi by 11 is not there. 6 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus 5 pi by 11. Sin 8 pi by 11 can be written as sin pi minus 3 pi by 11. Sin 10 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus pi by 11.
We know that sine of pi minus theta is sine theta. Sine of pi minus theta equal to sine theta. So now 1 by 32 sine 2 pi by 11 into sine 4 pi by 11 into sine 5 pi by 11. Why? Because sine of pi minus theta, sine theta. Sine of pi minus 3 pi by 11, sine 3 pi by 11. Sine of pi minus pi by 11, sine pi by 11. So write in the order 1 by 32. This value is equal to c into s. Sine, first you write pi by 11. Next sine 2 pi by 11. Pi by 11, 2 pi by 11, 3 pi by 11, sine 3 pi by 11 into sine 5 pi by 11, 4 pi by 11 into sine 5 pi by 11. So this value sine pi by 11, 2 pi by 11, sine pi by 3 pi by 11, sine 4 pi by 11, sine 5 pi by 11 is equal to what? Yes. So Cs is equal to 1 by 32 into s. This complete series s. On both sides s get cancelled. We will get c is equal to, what is c we considered? Cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11 is equal to 1 by 32, hence proved. These type of problems are very important, dear students. You remember that. We'll move to the next question. Next question. Prove that sine square of alpha minus pi by 4, sine square of alpha plus pi by 12 minus sine square of alpha minus pi by 12 equal to 1 by 2. So observe that here angle is alpha minus pi by 4. In the remaining two terms, alpha plus pi by 12, alpha minus pi by 12. And also observe that these two terms is in the form of sine square A minus sine square B. This is A angle, this is B angle. Sine square A minus sine square B can be written as sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. See here, consider LHS. Sine square of alpha minus pi by 4 plus sine square of alpha plus pi by 12 minus sine square of alpha minus pi by 12. In the last two terms, these two terms is in the form of sine square A minus sine square B. Sine square A minus sine square B. That can be written as sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. So this is A, this is B, which is equal to sine square alpha. That means sine of alpha minus pi by 4 whole square. Sin square theta means sin theta whole square. Similarly, sin square of alpha minus pi by 4 is sin of alpha minus pi by 4 whole square plus sin square A minus sin square B. Sin of A plus B alpha plus pi by 12 plus alpha minus pi by 12 sin of a plus b is over into sin of a minus b alpha plus pi by 12 minus alpha plus 12 by pi by 12 minus of minus sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So here plus pi by 12 minus pi by 12 get cancelled, plus alpha minus alpha get cancelled, which is equal to sin of a minus b formula. What is the formula for sin of a minus b? Sin of a minus b sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So by using that formula, this can be written as a is alpha, b is pi by 4. Sin alpha into cos pi by 4 minus cos alpha sin pi by 4 whole square. The first term expansion completed. Come to the second term. Plus sin alpha plus alpha. Sin of alpha plus alpha is sin 2 alpha into sin of pi by 12 plus pi by 12. Sin of 2 pi by 12. 2 ones are 2 six are. So sin alpha into cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 cos 45 minus cos alpha sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 whole square plus sin 2 alpha into sin pi by 6 sin 30 is 1 by 2. So which is equal to, from these two 1 by root 2 take common into sin alpha minus cos alpha whole square plus 1 by 2 into sin 2 alpha. So 1 by root 2 whole square, it will become as 1 by 2, keep bracket, a minus b whole square expansion, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha minus 2 sin alpha into cos alpha plus half into sin 2 alpha. We know that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha value is 1. So we can write it as 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha is sin 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 sin 2 alpha. Now actual multiplication, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into sin 2 alpha minus 1 by 2 sin 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 sin 2 alpha. So minus 1 by 2 sin 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 sin 2 alpha, which is equal to 1 by 2, which is required RHS. Therefore, sin square alpha minus pi by 4 plus sin square of alpha plus pi by 12 minus sin square of alpha minus pi by 12 equal to 1 by 2. Hence, prove the result. We will move to the next question. The next question is also very important for 4 marks. If secant of theta plus alpha plus secant of theta minus alpha equal to 2 secant theta, prove that cos theta equal to plus or minus root 2 into cos alpha by 2. Now consider this given secant of theta plus alpha plus secant of theta minus alpha is equal to 2 secant theta. Secant, the reciprocal of secant is what? Cos. So these two secant values and this value, LHS and RHS, in terms of reciprocals you have to write it. 1 by cos of theta plus alpha plus 1 by cos of theta minus alpha is equal to 2 divided by cos theta. After we take LCM in LHS, the LCM for LHS is cos of theta plus alpha into cos of theta minus alpha. So after taking LCM, cos of theta plus alpha get cancelled, cos of theta minus alpha into 1, cos of theta minus alpha plus cos of theta minus alpha get cancelled, cos of theta plus alpha into 1. So cos of theta plus alpha is equal to 2 divided by cos theta. After that, we are going to apply the formulas. These two are very important formula in numerator as well as denominator. It is in the form of cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. So first numerator formula, cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b, which is equal to 2 cos a cos b. Come to the denominator, again another formula, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, which is equal to cos square a minus sin square b. These two formulas we are going to apply. The first formula we have to apply for the numerator. The second formula we have to apply for the denominator. So it will becomes, in place of a and b, theta minus alpha is there, 2 into cos of theta into cos alpha divided by, in the denominator it will become cos square a minus sin square b. So cos square theta minus sin square alpha, which is equal to 2 by cos theta. Now on both sides 2 get cancelled, cross multiply, that implies that cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta into cos alpha is equal to cos square theta minus sin square alpha. Minus sin square alpha I am taking this side. That implies that sin square alpha is equal to cos square theta. Cos square theta, cos alpha, from left hand to right hand I am writing. So minus cos square theta into cos alpha. In the next step, cos square theta I am taking common and sin square alpha in terms of cos I am going to write. So now sin square alpha can be written as 1 minus cos square alpha is equal to cos square theta I am taking common from this. So if you take cos square theta, take common, 1 minus cos alpha. So 1 minus cos alpha. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. 1 can be written as 1 square now. 1 square minus cos square alpha is equal to cos square theta into 1 minus cos alpha. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus cos alpha into 1 plus cos alpha is equal to cos square theta into 1 minus cos alpha. Now on both sides 1 minus cos alpha will be cancelled. That implies that cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos alpha. Again we know that formula, 1 plus cos a equal to 1 plus cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. We have formula. So 1 plus cos alpha can be written as 2 cos square alpha by 2. So which is equal to cos square theta equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2. So cos theta they are asking. So cos theta equal to square root of 2 into cos square alpha by 2. So if you remove that square root, we are getting plus or minus root 2 into cos alpha by 2. So therefore, cos theta equal to plus or minus root 2 into cos alpha by 2. That only they are asking to prove that. Hence the result. Hence proved. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Please do subscribe and share and support to my channel. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra.